Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Electra. In this series, we're diving into TIA Portal V18, covering everything from basic concepts to advanced PLC programming. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience, this course will help you build a strong foundation in Siemens PLC programming. We'll go step by step, learning how to set up projects, write ladder logic, work with function block logic FBL, configure HMI screens, and integrate factory I/O for simulations. By the end of this series, you'll be confident in using TIA Portal for real-world industrial automation. And guess what? It'll be uploading 2 videos every day, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all the exciting content coming your way. Let's get started. First, open TIA Portal, and you will see the portal view, which provides an intuitive interface for project creation and management. It might take a few moments to load depending on your system. Once it opens, click on Create New Project, and in the project name field, I am naming it first, but you can choose any name relevant to your work. After entering the name, click Create, and the software will take a few seconds to generate the project. Once the project is ready, navigate to Device and Networks, where you will find a wide range of available devices and PLCs. This section is crucial because it allows you to configure the hardware setup for your project. I am selecting an S7-1200 PLC 1215 Celsius as my controller, but you can pick any model that suits your needs. Click on ADD device, and the system will take a moment to integrate it into the project. At this stage, a security pop-up will appear, prompting you with some configuration options. It's important to adjust these settings correctly to avoid unnecessary restrictions later. In the security settings, remove the tick from PLC configuration data, which ensures unrestricted access to the PLC without extra security layers. Next, select full access without a password, allowing seamless programming and monitoring without login interruption. Finally, click Finish, and the setup will be completed. The software might take a moment to process these settings, and once done, you'll be ready to start programming your logic in FBL function block logic. That's it for this video. Now you know how to create a new project and select a PLC in TIA Portal V18. This is just the beginning. There's a lot more to learn. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the S7-1200 PLC, where I'll explain its ports and their functions in detail, so stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Easy Electra, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.